Is it time to buy or sell UnitedHealth Group stock? In this video, we're diving deep into UnitedHealth Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 6th of June, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 17th of April, 2025, our system has identified UnitedHealth Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.76. Now, let's examine the stock's performance throughout this time frame. The stock has experienced a decline of 33.23%. This equates to an average loss of -0.95% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently rests in the middle of a very wide and declining trend in the short term, indicating further declines within this trend. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of nearly 40% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from approximately -59% to -15%. Examining the longer term, our analysis for the next 12 months indicates an expected decline of around 22%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from a drop of about 32% to an increase of nearly 47% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $205.77 and $446.94. Our latest daily update for UnitedHealth Group includes the headline, UnitedHealth Group stock price up 2.49% on Friday. The UnitedHealth Group stock price gained 2.49% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 6th of June, 2025. The price rose from $295.84 to $303.22. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.41%, reaching a low of $297.15 and a high of $304.31. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has exhibited a 2.21% increase. However, volume decreased by 902,000 shares on the last day, with a total of 11 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $3.48 billion. It is important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $630.73, while the lowest was $248.88. Currently, the price is 51.93% or $327.51 below the 52-week high of $630.73, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Recent developments surrounding UnitedHealth Group, trading under the ticker UNH, have raised significant investor concerns. A class action lawsuit has been filed against the company, highlighting allegations of securities fraud and undisclosed payments to nursing homes, which intensified scrutiny of its business practices. This legal backdrop has contributed to a considerable decline in its stock price, which has plummeted by over 40% this year, raising questions about investor confidence and the company's ability to maintain its historical dividend payouts. Despite these challenges, analysts suggest that UnitedHealth may present a long-term value opportunity. Currently valued at less than 12 times earnings, the company is viewed as a strong buy by some, particularly for long-term dividend investors. Fundamentals remain robust. With solid revenue and earnings per share growth coupled with a healthy balance sheet, management is actively focusing on cost controls and operational efficiency, aiming for a return to double-digit earnings growth by the year 2026. In the short term, the ongoing class action lawsuits and public scrutiny could continue to pressure the stock as investors weigh the potential for further declines. Conversely, if the company successfully navigates these legal hurdles and improves operational metrics, it may regain investor trust and bolster its stock performance moving forward. Investors should carefully monitor these developments to determine their impact on both immediate market reactions and long-term valuation strategies. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 6th of June, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned UnitedHealth Group an overweight rating with a hold action. On the same day, it was reported that Barclays also gave UnitedHealth Group an overweight rating with a hold action. Additionally, on that Friday, Wells Fargo reported an overweight rating for UnitedHealth Group accompanied by a hold action. Earlier, on Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025, KeyBank assigned UnitedHealth Group a negative rating with a hold action. Furthermore, on Wednesday, the 21st of May, 2025, HSBC reported a reduced rating for UnitedHealth Group, indicating a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to UnitedHealth Group stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for UnitedHealth Group. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 10.52%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal is noted from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, volume decreased during the last trading day. Despite rising prices, this creates a divergence between volume and price which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact short-term developments. The UnitedHealth Group stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, this reflects a more negative outlook for the stock. Should there be further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $353.46. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $300.78. A breakthrough of the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will produce an additional sell signal, thereby reinforcing the overall signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 16 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 39 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 36 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 33 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 36 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 36 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 31 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for UnitedHealth Group. UnitedHealth Group finds support from accumulated volume at $302.98. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $7.16 between its high and low points, representing a change of 2.41%. For the past week, the stock has seen an average daily volatility of 2.76%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for UnitedHealth Group, let's briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate a lower expectation for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, presenting a possible buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 29th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $5.25. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for UnitedHealth Group. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for UnitedHealth Group is at $311.38. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, UnitedHealth Group encounters its first support level at $302.98. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for UnitedHealth Group from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 3rd of June, 2025, Zayeda Christopher R. conducted an insider sale of 115,129 shares of common stock. On the same day, Rex John F. conducted an insider sale of 29,502 shares of common stock. On the 2nd of June, 2025, Conway Patrick Hugh conducted an insider purchase of 1,641 shares of common stock. On that same day, Conway Patrick Hugh also conducted an insider purchase of 6,550 shares of non-qualified stock options, which grant the right to buy. On the 20th of May, 2025, Hemsley Stephen J. conducted an insider sale of 2,525 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 87.557. Overall, insiders purchased a total of 1,038,659 shares and sold 73,108 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is UnitedHealth Group stock a good buy? UnitedHealth Group presents several negative signals, suggesting a weak performance in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 9th of June, we anticipate UnitedHealth Group will open lower by $1.66, starting at $301.56. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.